GrapeCity Documents for Excel .NET Edition is a fast, efficient spreadsheet API that enables you to generate, load, modify, and save spreadsheets. In this video, we'll convert a workbook to a PDF. Let's open an existing workbook. We've initialized it, added data, adjusted the formatting, and added a table with a data bar and styles. We're ready to save it to a PDF. So we can compare outputs, we'll save the workbook in both Excel and PDF. For an Excel file, include the name of the workbook and save it as an Excel file. For the PDF file, directly name the workbook name.pdf and set Save File Format to PDF. Run the app. The Excel and PDF files have been created from the data. When we open the Excel file, we see the workbook we created. When we open the PDF, we see that it perfectly replicated the data and styles created in the workbook. For more tutorials, blogs, and code samples, visit grapecity.com.